in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, Cobb County in north-central Georgia, East Central Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Douglas County in north-central Georgia, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Salicoa Valley to Whitesburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, Canton, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Alpharetta, Smyrna, East Point, Milton, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Powder Springs, Fairburn, and Holly Springs. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north-central, northwestern, and west-central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763